Alright, let's get started on revitalizing our bodies with some rosemary tea. Have you ever wondered about the amazing benefits of rosemary tea and how it can work wonders for your body? So, let's dive right in and explore the world of rosemary tea. This herbal infusion is not just a flavorful beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can truly promote overall wellness. Rosemary tea has been cherished for centuries across various cultures for its medicinal properties. It's known to aid in digestion, boost the immune system, and even act as a natural antioxidant to combat free radicals in the body. But wait, before you go brewing a cup of rosemary tea, let's address some common concerns. Some may find the taste of rosemary tea a bit strong, while others might worry about potential side effects. No worries, we've got you covered. You can always sweeten the tea with a dash of honey or a squeeze of lemon to mellow out the flavor. And remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new herbal remedy into your routine. In a nutshell, rosemary tea is a game changer for your health. It can revitalize your body, improve your overall well-being, and become a staple in your daily wellness routine. Now, it's your turn to take action. Why not give rosemary tea a try and experience its amazing benefits firsthand? Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to explore other herbal teas for even more health perks. And hey, consider checking out other videos on herbal remedies and healthy lifestyle tips for a holistic approach to wellness. Cheers to a healthier, revitalize you with the power of rosemary tea.